Empty your mind. Be formless, shapeless, like water.
Hello everyone, and I hope you all are doing well. So once again, let's do the Euro USD chart analysis and let's get to the news. So we are having this medium impact news into the market today, and we are not having any high impact news. So most likely the price is already stuck in between a range in Euro USD. So I'm not anticipating a really volatile move. So let's move to the charts. So this is the monthly chart of Euro USD, and what we can see is that here is a BPR in the price, and the price has not yet tapped this BPR, you can see over here. So we have two ranges in the current market right now. That is this higher time frame BPR, that is of monthly, and it'll get a little precise into the weekly levels. So the price can react in between both of these BPR because it was quite a strong move before and the price disrespected it. So I'm anticipating that most likely we can move down and then mitigate this BPR, or we can move up and mitigate this BPR and then come down. So that too can be a scenario. So let's move to the weeklies now. As we move into the weeklies, what we can say is that there are multiple phases now. We are having this one BPR and another one is already mitigated. So I'm not counting it. So currently what do we have is the price had swept this high, and currently we are within this candle's range. It is significant for the smaller time frames, so I'll be removing it. So now that the price has already disrespected this strong high, uh, I'm pretty much unsure about the current market bias. So let's move to the dailies to find if we have something in the charts. So now that we have seen that this candle is responsible for sweeping the previous high, but we are yet having difficulties to get a close below this candle range. So we are within this candle's range since last uh, 4 days, and this is the fifth day we are having. So still the bias is not clear. So let's move to the 4 hours now. As we move into the 4 hours, what we can see is that the price was following some kind of order flow over here, and we have already disrespected it and moved into the further upside direction. Currently, what do we have is we are having this FVG into the 4 hours. We are also having this FVG below, but I'm not considering it since this area, this swing is responsible for the price to break this order flow which was going into the market. So for now, this BPR is more valid for me, and I'll be anticipating that most likely the price can come down and mitigate this FVG. I guess I said BPR, but this is FVG. So let's move to the 2 hours to see if we have anything in here. As we move into the 2 hours, we don't see any kind of structure uh, which is unmitigated by the market, and we are having this bearish FVG. So the market is still not validating any of the time frames which is in the higher time frames or lower time frame. So still this 4-hour FVG is not validated. As we move into the 1 hours, what we can see is that it is already mitigated into the 1 hour, and still we don't have a clear sign that the price will move down. So what we will be doing is we will be waiting if the price is shows some kind of bearish reaction in the current move. So let's move to the 15 minutes directly. As we move into the 15 minutes, what we can see is that the price is having some kind of AVG over here, and we are currently moving into the upside direction. So now that we are moving into the upside direction, and we can anticipate that the price can move into the downward side. So I'll be waiting for the price to break some kind of a strong low in this moving structure, and then only I'll be anticipating that we can move down. Else I'll be bullish into the market, and I'll be waiting for the price to take this, let's say, not that extreme, but this equal high. And then only I'll be anticipating that we can go for this extreme high. So for now, I'm waiting for the price to give uh, to show its hand actually into the other side, and then only I'll be executing any kind of trade. So this is pretty much it, and do write me in the comment if you have any doubts or any kind of suggestions you have for me. Till then, thank you for watching.